Hi everyone, welcome to my podcast on the planet TRES-4. I'm Tyler Barron and I hope you enjoy this, so here we go. TRES-4 was discovered in 2006 and it was found to be 1,400 light years away in the constellation Hercules. The planet was found with what's called the transit method, and it is where the planet passes directly between the star and the observer on Earth, and it is shown by a dimming of the star's light by a measurable amount, which can be noticed to detect how large the planet is. This planet was first noticed by Lowell Observatory's Planet Search Survey Telescope, which was set up and operated by Edward Dunham and Georgy Mandyshev. TRES-4 appears to be something of a theoretical problem due to its extremely massive size yet low density, and it does not fit the current model of mass to size ratio that exists today, but we will discuss that more in a second. TRES-4 is the largest planet known so far, and it is 70% bigger than Jupiter. However, it only weighs 25% less than this red giant does. This planet is also a gas giant, however, it belongs to an either smaller subclass known as what is called a puffy planet. It belongs to this class because of its extremely low density, which is about 0.2 grams per cubic centimeter, which is about the same density as a cork. The proposed reason for why TRES-4 is such a massive but low density planet is because its sun was what's called a subgiant, and it has exhausted all of the hydrogen fuel in its core and is on its way to becoming a red giant. The star that it orbits is much more luminous and emits 3 to 4 times more energy than our sun does. Maybe this is why TRES-4 is superheated to about 2,300 degrees Fahrenheit or 1,260 degrees Celsius. It is only about 4.5 million miles away from its parent star. However, its orbit only takes 3 days, compared to Jupiter, which is about the same size, has a 12-year revolution period. Another reason for this planet's extreme heat could be due to its atmosphere. In this planet's atmosphere, hydrogen and other elements take part in what is known as a greenhouse effect and trap heat in a similar way that Earth's atmosphere does. One problem this planet has is keeping its atmosphere due to its low density, extreme heat, and speed. Due to this, especially the low density, this planet has a relatively weak pull of gravity on its atmosphere. This is why some of the upper atmosphere escapes in what probably looks like a comet-like tail as the planet orbits its parent star. At this point, it is not expected for TRES-4 to have any life on it due to its extreme heat, especially, but also the fact that it is constantly losing its atmosphere. At the moment, it is not currently known whether the planet has a magnetic field or not, but tests are underway so that we can understand the planet better. The main question scientists have about the planet is how it can be so large with such a low density. There are many tests taking place to try and figure this out, however, none of it has been successful, and scientists believe that heat cannot be the only cause of this. Another question that scientists are asking is what could the planet's core possibly be made of? We know that the planet is a gas giant, but if it had the same gas makeup as Jupiter did, then it would be denser than what it is, and scientists wouldn't be as stumped by this planet as much as they are. There are tests underway using gas chromatography to try and figure out the makeup of this planet, but it is hard to be precise since the planet is 1,400 light years away. Hopefully we can determine this information sooner rather than later, because with a heavy heart, it hurts me to say that TRES-4 will be consumed by its star in about 1 billion years when it becomes a red giant. Thank God this isn't expected to happen to Earth's sun for another 5 to 7 billion years. The most valuable part about this planetary finding is that it presents a challenge to our current theoretical models. Hopefully by studying this planet, we can understand it better and relate our results into finding planets just like TRES-4 or others that will continue to baffle scientists worldwide. This only increases our knowledge as humans and could potentially bring us closer to finding possible life forms in other areas of our universe that we would not expect. Thank you for watching my podcast on the largest planet in our universe, TRES-4. Well, one that is known so far at least. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Tyler Barron, and thank you for listening.